Hello and welcome back to Arabic Without Struggle. Now, after we learned the letters or the sound of the letters, or we became a bit familiar with the sound of letters, now let's learn the vowels, because vowels is what gonna make us benefit from these letters. Vowels basically are important in all languages. Take B letter, for instance. To give the sound of A to B letter, you add a vowel. The vowel you add is A. B-A makes ba. If you want to give it the sound of O, like bu, you add O or U. If you want to give it the sound of E, you add E or I, B. So vowels are very, very important. We have in Arabic the same thing. We have 3 vowels. The first vowel is fatha, we have damma, and we have kasra. Fatha makes the sound of A, so it is equivalent to A. So to say ba, you're going to use the ba letter, ba letter. To use the vowel of A, obviously you're not going to add A because the A is English. You add a vowel here. The vowel we use is what we call fatha. So this small dash on the top of ba, it gives it the sound of ba. So instead of ba, it becomes ba, just like English. If you want to give it the sound of bu, like in English you add O or U, here we use another vowel. It's called damma. Damma is like a small vowel on the top of the letter, of a letter. Here is ba. So if you put that small symbol on the top of ba, it gives it the sound of bu. So that is the vowel we use to give the sound of O to any letter. If we want to give it the sound of E, like I and E in English, we use a small dash in the bottom of the letter. That gives it the sound of E, like B, T, Th, and so on. So we have 3 vowels. The beauty about these vowels, why they are on the top or underneath the letters, is because when you memorize, when you get used to these words, you don't have to write these vowels anymore. That is a unique thing in Arabic. When you don't have to keep writing vowels all the time. It's like banana in English. It has to come with these vowels. A couple of years ago, I read an article about getting rid of the vowels in English. Some people are pushing for that because they've been inspired by the way how people text now in messaging and so on. So that can spoil the language, to be honest, because the English without these vowels, you won't look nice. Imagine the word of banana without vowels, without A, and so on. But in Arabic, from the beginning, the vowels are not within the word. The vowels are on the top, are just like symbols on the top or in the bottom. So as soon as you know how the word is, you don't have to have that vowel anymore. You just see the major letters, and that's it. And that makes it a compressed language in that sense, in the way how it is written, which is a nice thing, I think, without downgrading any languages. I love all languages because languages are means of communication. All sound good, all look beautiful. But this is something unique about Arabic. The vowels are symbols. As soon as you finish with these symbols, you don't have to write them. That's why many books are published. You don't see these vowels because they are for advanced readers. So there's no need for vowels. So that's something I want you to start with in this episode, that we have 3 vowels. We have fatha, damma, kasra. And if the letter has no vowel, like brain in English, brain, there's no A, there's no O, there's no E. So if there's no vowel, we have a symbol for that as well to indicate the absence of vowels. The symbol here is called sukun. It's a small circle. It comes on the top of a letter to indicate that that letter has no vowel. It's like a B. And we're going to take many examples for that from next episode. So that's it for now, and I see you in the next episode where we're going to be taking these vowels with every letter we have learned. So we have 29 letters, sound letters, because alif has no sound, as I said. So we're going to be giving these 3 vowels to each letter of these 28 letters. So I see you then, and thanks for watching.